Molo Tshomi!
You're a parent or teacher trying to support learning from home? This is for you. Sibuyile! And this time, Tshomi, we are adding school-based content. Masiye esikolweni, Tshomi. We are still teaching isiXhosa using English as a resource. Zali, here is what you can expect so you know exactly what you're subscribing to. Mathematics, izibalo, life skills, izakhona zobomi, English, isiXhosa, ulwimi lwenkobe of course, and a whole lot more, Tshomi. Oh, Zali, tell me what your child needs. Comment the topic or the subject and your child's grade, and Sis'Bongo will make sure that your child's YouTube is not only fun but also educational. Subscribe to the channel on YouTube by searching Bongo Peteni. Don't forget to comment, save, and share.